Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be refreshing my bedroom because I was in the mood to switch things up a bit. I tend to do that often around the house, and the bedroom is one of my favorite spaces to revamp. I have some new bedding as well from Smile, who's kindly sponsoring today's video. I have some new pillows and a down comforter duvet insert, and you can find these items on Amazon. The pillows come as a set of 2 with a medium firm feel and a 600 thread count organic cotton cover. They're filled with goose down feathers and down like polyester, making them soft and fluffy, but your head won't sink too deeply into the pillow. Now the down comforter is filled with goose feathers and is an all-season duvet insert. The fill consists of 50% down fiber, 25% down, 15% feather fiber, and 10% feathers. This will allow for medium warmth without compression, which is great for me because I don't sleep well if my comforter is too heavy. I personally think the fill amount is great for all seasons, and if you're like me and you just cannot handle sleeping with a big comforter on you because you'll just get too hot and have a terrible sleep, then this will be a good one. I'm gonna set these items aside for now so I can make the bed. I'm gonna be putting some new sheets on and toss my old ones in the wash because I do still need the pillow covers, and I'll tell you guys a bit more about the duvet insert when I get it on the bed. Now I'm not done with my bed styling, but I do love that this duvet insert has the baffle box stitch design. It allows for even distribution of the feathers, and the cover is a really soft poly cotton with a 400 thread count. It comes with 8 corner tabs for your duvet cover, but for this video I am just displaying the items without covering them up so you guys can have a good look at them. Now if you're interested in these items, I will have them linked in the description box. I am recording this voiceover after sleeping in the bed for a few days and testing out these items, and I love them. The pillow is not too hard or soft, it's just right for me, and I tend to sleep under my top sheet and quilt, not really the comforter, because then I'll get way too hot at night. But of course I had to test it out so I can review it, and it didn't disrupt my sleep at all. It wasn't too heavy, it didn't have me getting up in the middle of the night sweating. If you need something that's great for all seasons, I think this one would be a good one to use. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with revamping this room. I did shop my home for decor because I have a lot of decorative pieces in storage and wall art that I can move around the house. This print was in the family room, but I wanted to move it up here because it has black in it and the space has a lot of black accents. So I wanted to try out this art piece in here, and I really like it. And I'm gonna switch up the nightstand decor again because I wasn't completely satisfied with how I styled it last time, but I tend to redecorate the nightstand often because it's one of my favorite little areas to redecorate. It's so easy to do and just play around with. So yeah, I'm gonna change that up a bit too. Alright, so that's going to be it for this quick bedroom refresh. I just wanted to make some more changes in here and share my new bedding with you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.